Hi guys, today we're going to replace the dead battery in the key fob of 2002 Acura RSX. First you have to locate this opening and you'll have to use the screwdriver, flathead. Simply insert the screwdriver in the opening and twist. Then you'll be able to remove the cover. And here you can see the battery. To remove the battery, I'll be using this plastic tool. And here it is. The original battery is CR2025, 3 volts. You will need to use this type of battery as a replacement, but if you don't have CR2025, you can actually also use CR2032. It's also a 3 volt battery. The difference is it is slightly thicker because it has higher capacity, but the diameter is the same, and as long as it fits in the key fob, you can easily use this one instead. When you insert the new battery, you have to make sure that the plus side of the battery, which you can see right now, goes down like this. Insert it like that, and now you can reinstall the cover. As you can see, even though the CR2032 is slightly thicker, it didn't affect our fob at all. And let's check if it's working. Yes, you can see the red LED. This means that our fob is currently working.